Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a silver smoky eye look. I'm going to start off with my Essence Primer, Prime Like a Boss. And while I try to open it, if you could subscribe and like this video, that would be amazing. So I'm going to be doing a silver smoky eyed look. I am going to a wedding tonight. It has probably been like over 10 years since I've been to a wedding. So I wanted to do a silver metallic look. I'm using the Natasha Denona palette. I'm going to start off with the shade Blend and my JH35 Jaclyn Hill brush. I'm going to blend that up onto my brow bone as usual, just to help contour my deep set eyes. And just a little tip, holding your brush more vertically helps with precision on deep set eyes. So I will link some of my deep set eye videos that have little tips on how I like to use my brushes and apply my eyeshadow for deep set eyes. But yeah, so I'm just blending this out on top of the brow bone first. Now I'm going in with my JH40 brush and the shade Color Crease. This is a little cooler, so I'm going to keep this a little bit tighter to my crease line. I'm not going directly in my crease, but in and then slightly above as well. Again, this is another tip I like to do with my deep set maturing eyes, is just gently hold the skin taut and tilt your head back, and that'll give you a little bit more of a smoother canvas to blend that eyeshadow out on. And I find using cooler taupe tones, cooler tones, looks a lot more flattering, closer to the crease than too up high on my brow bone. It can tend to look a little too patchy and a little too harsh. So it's always good if you're going to use some cooler tones just to add something a little bit warmer in there as well. Now I'm going to take this e.l.f. blending eye brush. I'm going into the shade, it's just center eyelid shade. I think I probably have the shade colors somewhere, but don't have them on me right now. But it's more of a kind of lighter gunmetal silver, and I'm just going all over my lid with this just to create some depth. I'm not going in the inner corner. I'm just staying to the lid and just blending this out. That Prime Like a Boss from Essence really helps these foiled colors pop a little bit more. It will keep your eyeshadow lasting a little bit longer, less creasing of the eyeshadow. So I really do enjoy that Prime Like a Boss. So yeah, I'm just using this on the lids for a little bit of depth. And now I'm going to go in with the NYX eyeliner that I just bought this morning. This is in the shade Silver Lining. This eyeliner is so pigmented and creamy. It blends out so nicely over the eyelid. I love it. So what I'm doing is I'm just adding brightness with the silver lining. So this is a lot brighter than that deeper tone that I have on my lid. So when my eyes are open, this will just add a pop of brightness to them, a little bit more kind of definition around my eyelids, definition and brightness. So this I will go in to the inner corner in the waterline as well. It is such a beautiful metallic color. The silver metallics are really big right now, just in fashion. Beyonce's really pushing out the metallics at her concert, and it's definitely a revival from the 90s. So I'm going to be wearing silver on my eyes tonight and silver on my feet. I'm going to take an angle brush now, and I'm going to go back in with that shade Crease. Well, it's not the shade Crease, but it says Crease on it. The cooler shade, and I'm using the angle brush, and I'm just going to smoke out my lower lid with that. This will just add a little contrast to that waterline that has the silver. Also, I'm going to kind of just buff it out on the outer corner a little bit more to follow that little bit of wing that I created with the silver eyeliner. And then I'm going to go under the inner corner, under where I put that silver in my inner corner, and just that'll add some contrast too and just looks really nice blended underneath that silver tone. So what I think that I will do is after I get ready tonight, do my makeup again, hair, and get in my dress, I will create a little YouTube short to show you my outfit and everything and how it all looks together. But this is the final look. I love the way it came out. Definitely try this out for yourself, and I will see you guys again soon. Thanks for watching.